Hello beautiful people, welcome back. So to start off my skincare routine, I'm going to be using this scrub from Beauty Formulas and it's activated with charcoal. I don't find it as harsh as the other scrubs, so I really like it. What I'm going to do is put that all over my face and buff it in, making sure that I get all those spots where I have, pores and blackheads and all that. And I try to do this at least 2 to 3 times a week. Okay, so my face is now nice and clean after washing off that mask. And this mask is from Beauty Formulas. It's activated with charcoal, and I really like this because it's not that harsh like St. Ives and those other scrubs. So I really like this one. It says it's deep exfoliating formula, helps the removal of blackheads and unblocks pores. So I really like this, and it wasn't expensive. I think I got this in Sabres for less than £5. So I really like this. Now I'll be using this Sukin Oil Balancing Clarifying Facial Tonic. And you guys have been loving this so much. I found this in TK Maxx, I want to say a month ago. And I've been using it almost every night because it makes my face feel really refreshed and cleansed and, just really nice. So I've been really enjoying this Sukin Oil Balancing Clarifying Facial Tonic. And it doesn't have any sodium lauryl sulfate, no sodium laureth sulfate, no synthetic fragrances, no animal derivatives, no harsh detergents, no propylene glycol, no artificial colors, no triethylamine, no mineral oils, no EDTA, no parabens, and it's Australian owned and made 100% vegan, 100% carbon neutral, no testing on animals. So I really like this. I really like this. Also, it says on the bottle, it's purifying white tea, pomegranate, and bilberry, impart antioxidants to the skin whilst clarifying. Added quince aids in balancing excess oil, and it's suitable for oily to combination skin types. So of course I will be repurchasing this because I've been using it a lot because I really love how it makes my skin feel. Okay, so after my clarifying facial tonic, I'm going to be using this rosehip oil, and it's collagen facial treatment, and it's 100% natural. So I usually just put this on before I use my moisturizer. So basically, I get some in the pump like this, fill it up, doesn't have a lot left, and then I do this. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply my Olay Instant Hydrating Night Cream. This is a staple in my skincare routine. I've been using Olay for years and I can't seem to give it up. It smells really nice and it does leave my face feeling very soft and supple. So this is definitely a staple in my routine. And then to finish that off, to finish off my face, I'm going to be using my Dragon's Blood Eye Lift Balm. I don't know whether or not this is working. I really can't tell. But I've been using it. And I haven't seen my under eyes look any worse. So something must be working. So I'm just going to tap that in. forgot to use my scrub on my lips. This is the Sugar Lips, and this is usually what I use like a few times a week just to scrub my lips because my lips tend to get really dry. And I use this and I love it. It's just like sugar. So what I do is then to finish that off, I'm going to use my Carmex lip balm, another staple. And this keeps my lips very soft and supple and crack free. And that's the end of my skincare routine. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!